Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And JPMorgan Chase and Wells Fargo gave a boost to the stock market when they reported better than expected earnings in the early morning hours before trading. And we're going to take a look at the S&P 500. Currently has a chart analysis score plus 100, trading above 2,900 for the first time since October of 2018 and gaining 0.4% on the week, as we take a look at the weekly charts to see where we're ending to get a little broader scope of what's going on in the stock market. Our key level to watch will be 2,785.02. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dollar index coming under a little pressure as investors moved out of the dollar back into riskier assets like stocks today, ending the week down about 0.4% with a chart analysis score of plus 65, indicating that we do have a little bit of near-term weakness. Key level to watch has gone up a little bit. It'll be 96.48. A move up below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, pushing us to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Moving along to the Dow Jones, currently the only one of the three major index in negative territory for the week, down about 0.1%, trying to get back into positive territory. Chart analysis score remains plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend for the Dow. And our key level to watch remains 25,372.26. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow. NASDAQ currently trading at 7,972.91 with a chart analysis score plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. Currently up about 0.4% on the week, giving it its third straight week of gains. And our key level remains 7,579.29. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible sidelines position for the NASDAQ. Gold getting just absolutely hammered on Thursday, down over 1% on that day, issuing a new red daily trade triangle at 1,360, pushing the chart analysis score to negative 100, indicating that we are now in a long-term downtrend for gold. Key level to watch will be 1,313.10. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for gold. And we'll take a look at crude oil, continuing higher, over 1.5% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 90. However, it is kind of flattened out around the $64 level, and that was really on news that the inventories were growing in U.S. stockpiles as reported by the EIA. Key level to watch will be 63.66. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. And we'll back out and take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Currently up about 1% on the day, but overall it is having its first weekly loss in 5 weeks, standing at 0.8% with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that overall the long-term trend is up for Bitcoin, but coming under a little bit of pressure this week. However, we'll take this to a daily level. It's still trading above its 200-day moving average, so that should give us a nice level of support for the foreseeable future as the bulls and bears kind of fight out who's going to take control of Bitcoin, whether it's going to head higher from here or not. So with that, every success. Have a great trading day and a great weekend, and I will be back next week to give you some key levels to watch.